we're going to go over the assembly of our black acrylic stands here to give you an idea. So here's the base plate, and then you're going to have two vertical pieces. This one is set up for a smaller shell, so that's why these are different. These are for a 308 shell. If you have a 30-06 shell, these will both be identical. So the first thing you want to do is, you notice one side's got the G on it. This is gloss, so this is going to be the gloss side. This is a flat side. You want to determine whether or not you want gloss or flat to be displayed, and to find out what they look like, you can just peel back the edge on these right here. And so this is the gloss side. You can get an idea of what the gloss looks like. It's a really nice finish. If you want something different, you can peel back this side, and you can see what the matte side looks like. It's also a nice finish, just personal preference depending on what you want to go for. So you want to go ahead and peel these back on both of these on the bottom here. Just peel them back just a little bit, just enough to where you have the bottom open there. And then, so we'll go ahead and we'll do the matte side on this one. So what you're going to do is you want to take the matte sides, the matte side up on this. The matte side on this is going to go on the outside. You're just going to slide one corner in. Kind of get it to go in just a little bit. Once it goes in, you can push down all the way. Find the matte side on this one. Get the corner in. And you can just work it in the rest of the way. And then once you get it in there, just press down like that. Okay, now, occasionally you might get one that's a little looser than you want. If that's the case, just put a little dab of super glue right there on that seam on whichever side is loose. That'll make sure that it stays nice and firm in there. So once you let that dry, you can go ahead and peel off the protective layer on all of it. We like to leave the protective layer on just so it protects everything while you're installing it, and it's not too difficult to go ahead and pull it off. And then when you're done, you're ready to go.